GE PFQ97HSPVDS. Both expert opinions and user reviews in 2024 hail it as the top choice for those seeking a premium washing machine experience. This model stands out by offering the ability to wash and dry considerable amounts of laundry in roughly 2 hours, eliminating the need to move clothes between appliances. Its innovative use of high-velocity warm air efficiently extracts moisture from fabrics, ensuring even bulky loads dry swiftly with minimal heat exposure. This ultra-fast combo revolutionizes laundry day by integrating both washing and drying capabilities into a single appliance, offering an unparalleled level of convenience for handling everything from bulky blankets to fragile delicates. It employs advanced drying methods that leverage quick air movement at cooler temperatures, treating your clothes with the utmost care. Beyond its impressive performance, this model is known for its straightforward setup and clever design that conserves space. It adapts easily to various settings thanks to standard 120-volt power requirements and a ventless configuration, allowing you to rethink your laundry room's layout. Its compact footprint frees up space without sacrificing capacity or functionality. The Smart Dispenser, which holds enough detergent and fabric softener for up to 32 loads, ensures this machine remains fresh and odor-free by protecting critical areas like the seal, dispenser, and drain system. Connectivity with the Smart HQ app introduces the latest updates and features directly to your machine, including remote monitoring and cycle adjustments. With a 4.8 cubic foot capacity, it accommodates large items easily, reducing laundry time for families of any size. The inclusion of an accessible lint filter and the EcoCool cycle, which achieves thorough cleaning with cold water and efficient drying, further underscores its efficiency and innovation. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. The LG WM3555HVA is easily one of the top washing machines of 2024, landing itself a well-deserved second place in the rankings. Its clever design combines a roomy 2.4 cubic foot capacity with a sleek compact frame that fits snugly in smaller spaces or closets. This means you don't need a huge laundry room to get your washing done efficiently. What sets this washer apart is how it takes the guesswork out of doing laundry. Thanks to its smart AI technology, it picks the best wash settings for your clothes, so everything from jeans to delicate shirts comes out looking great. And for those who struggle with allergies, it's a breath of fresh air. The washer's Allergene cycle uses steam to pull out allergens from fabrics, making it a bit of a hero for sensitive skin. Adding to its appeal is the compatibility with the LG ThinkQ app. It's pretty neat. You get updates and maintenance alerts on your phone, which can really help in keeping the machine running smoothly without any surprises. But perhaps the coolest feature is the ventless condensing drying tech. It's perfect for places where you can't set up a traditional vent, offering a straightforward installation almost anywhere. Also, the sensor dry function is something to talk about. It adjusts drying time on its own, which is not just good for saving energy, but also means your clothes won't get over-dried and worn out. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. And introducing the pinnacle of washing machine innovation for 2024, the Samsung WV60A9900AV clinches the top spot as the best overall washing machine on the market. This model redefines laundry day convenience by incorporating dual washers within a single appliance, enabling you to run 2 loads simultaneously or separately. This design caters to a variety of laundry needs, allowing for different cycles and for settings for each load, ensuring all types of fabrics are handled with care. What elevates the Samsung WV60A9900AV is its intelligent use of AI technology. It adapts to your laundry habits, suggesting your preferred wash cycles and optimizing settings for every load. This smart system also pairs your wash cycle with the ideal drying option, further personalizing your laundry routine. With a generous total capacity of 6 cubic feet, this washer can power through a full load in a mere 28 minutes using the Super Speed Wash feature. The innovation doesn't stop there. The machine's dual functionality means you can tackle different laundry tasks concurrently, maintaining the integrity of various fabric types. The addition of Super Speed Dry allows for a complete wash and dry cycle in under an hour, revolutionizing the efficiency of laundry processing. Customers rave about the Clean Guard attribute, which employs antimicrobial technology to protect frequently touched areas, ensuring the washer remains hygienic and odor-free. Boasting a vast 6 cubic feet of space, split between a 5 cubic feet main washer and a 1 cubic foot top-load compartment, the Samsung WV60A9900AV minimizes the number of loads needed, freeing up more time for yourself. This model not only stands out for its capacity and speed, but also for its intelligent, user-friendly features, making it a clear frontrunner in the market. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you've got it.